Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to find latitude and longitude on Google Maps. So if you're looking for the exact GPS coordinate of a location, this is how you can go about it. I'll show you how to do this on mobile, then I'll show you how to do this on computer. On your mobile, open the Google Maps and then go to the location you want to find this exact coordinate. Tap and hold down on that location and the location pin will be dropped in that location. In the search section, here you'll find your exact GPS coordinates. While on PC, there are two ways you can do this. On anywhere on your map, you can left click and a location pin will be dropped in that location. In the pop-up, you'll find your longitude and latitude coordinates. Also, in any position, right click on that position to get more options. Here you're going to see the GPS coordinates of that location. Click on this and your latitude and longitude will be copied to your clipboard. So thank you for watching this video on how to find latitude and longitude on Google Map, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you do find this video helpful, do make sure to like, subscribe, and have the post notification turned on.